Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add product image thumbnails to your WooCommerce orders list. This is a super useful customization, especially if you want to easily identify products directly from the order screen. Here's what the final result will look like. See how easy it is to view the product images right in the orders table. This small tweak can make managing your orders much faster and more efficient. Now, to achieve this, we're going to be adding a small piece of code to your WooCommerce store. You can find this code in one of my articles and I've linked it down in the description. So you can go ahead, open the article and copy the code from there. Next, we're going to paste this code into our WordPress themes functions.php file. But before we do that, it's really important to mention, whenever you're editing your theme files, make sure you're using a child theme. This way, if you update your main theme, your changes won't be lost. If you don't already have a child theme set up, don't worry. I've got a detailed tutorial on how to create one, and the link to that video is also in the description below. Alright, now let's navigate to our functions.php file. To do this, go to your WordPress dashboard, then to Appearance, then Theme Editor. And from there, you'll find the functions.php file for your child theme. Once you're in the functions.php file, go ahead and paste the code you copied from the article. Now, inside the code, you'll notice there's a section where you can assign the width and height of the product images. By default, we've set it to 80 by 80 pixels, but feel free to adjust this based on your preference. Once you've pasted the code and set the image size, click Update File. Now, let's go back to our WooCommerce orders page and refresh. And there we have it. You can now see the product thumbnails are showing next to each order. This makes it so much easier to quickly identify the products in each order. Oh, and by the way, if you're using a caching plugin, make sure to clear your cache after adding the code to see the changes right away. This little customization is a great way to enhance your order management experience in WooCommerce. If you want to learn more about WooCommerce tweaks and tricks like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. Also, if you run into any issues or have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below and I'll be happy to help out. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.